everyone. So as you know, I posted some photos of my craft room, before photos, and I signed up online for Jennifer Maker's 30-day craft room challenge, and now I want to show you what my room looks like. So we're going to show you some before photos, and then we're going to show you my room after. Okay, so I really went out there showing you my room before because it was a mess. But now we're going to show you what it looks like after. So come on in. All right, so first I want to show you, I don't know if you remember this, but this was just junk. I had junk everywhere. I took it all down, put it back up, and now it's a little more organized. I bought some, these are from Walmart, very inexpensive, and then I had a piece of melamine shelving that was actually over on the other side of the room, and I took it and put it and made a table. I really like standing when I craft. So now it's a standing table. I always have paper on my table, so once this gets all chewed up, then I put more on it, but it's really nice to have. I can make notes and stuff. And
so that's a bookshelf, not the 12 by 12
yes.
racks from Michael put together.
No,
Michael's. Okay.
This is these are two 36-inch bookshelves from Michael's. You have to assemble them, but now it's one piece on each side to make the tabletop.
And then you just put the wood on top. Oh my
yes.
gosh, that's a great idea.
And then this is just a 4 that I just bought and put up against there. So I've got stuff stored there. I really like these canvas boxes because look at how unorganized this looks. But if I put it in here,
oh, that's genius.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah. Also, please note, how many happy planners do you have again? I just want to, what the
just
heck,
one.
woman? Put your life together.
Well,
you do, because you have so many happy planners.
These are sugar books.
Okay, what else do we have?
Anyway, so this creates a lot of storage, and this was great because a lot of it you can hide if it's stuff that's not, what you want everybody to see. A lot of the stuff I had all over my room. So, for example, I had ribbon everywhere. Now it's all in one spot. I can just go to it, find what I want, and it's all in the same place. I don't have to look all over my craft room.
Awesome.
I bought this table from IKEA to do whatever I need to do. If you're interested in what it is, I can link that for you. But it's a very inexpensive table, very easy to put together. I just had to screw on the legs, and it's awesome. If you notice, I put some storage underneath to hide it. My main thing I wanted to do was keep everything in one spot. So like all my stamps in one spot, all my paper in one spot, and I was able to accomplish that with this reorganization. I have some stamp holders coming, but for now, this is where all my stamps are going to be, my stamp set, or my ink pads. All my stamps are here. I have some in the drawer, so they're next to each other. All my Happy Planner stuff and supplies are here, even though my planners are over there. More stamps, and then all my paper is located in one spot. I can go right to it, find what I need. Awesome. If you remember this, I had this, but all the stuff was just sitting on it, and it didn't look very organized, so I ordered these from Walmart. I put all the stuff into the boxes, and then I labeled them, so I know exactly what is in each one, and that made it look a little nicer. This was my favorite purchase. Oh my gosh. This table comes with the tabletop and both sides with drawers. So you have 5 full drawers. And again, I can link that for you. It was very easy to put together. I couldn't believe how easy it was compared to the Michael's boxes. But this is the piece de la resistance for me. I love this thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to label right here so I know exactly what's in each drawer. And I've already got most of them full, so that's nice. The other thing I bought from IKEA was this rolling cart, and I love the length of these drawers. They are so nice.
Well, I love that you can fit really big stuff in there.
Yes. Well, and some people online complain that they didn't like that they didn't open all the way. Well, I don't have a problem because the stuff I store, I can see, so I'm not storing little things. So for me, it wasn't an issue. But I absolutely love it. I can store things on top. Again, all my embellishments, my paints are all in one spot now. I don't have to go searching for them. And then this is not super neat, but this is my mixed media area, and then all my albums are here, all my envelopes. This used to be plastic, those plastic drawers. I really didn't like those because they're hard to open. You couldn't really see what was in them, even though I labeled them, so I just got rid of them completely. So I added...
That was part of the challenge too, wasn't it?
That was part of the challenge, yeah. So now I have everything in one spot. I utilize my Michaels drawers. And I know some of you had asked about this little thing that I bought on a clearance rack. But more embellishments, easy accessible.
Is that meant to be for embellishments?
No, this is actually a travel jewelry case.
Because I've seen the shoe rack ones. I hadn't even thought to use a jewelry one for embellishments. What the heck?
Speaking of shoe racks,
I love
okay, so this is my messy spot. This
but
is
hidden, how nice.
So all the stuff that I just didn't know what to do with, I kind of just threw in here, and it kind of worked out. So
but that's a shoe rack one.
This is for shoes, yeah.
Oh, amazing.
But it's big enough that you can put, stuff.
Bigger stuff in there.
Yes, and so it worked out really well, because this is like,
stuff you don't want to see every day.
Well, and stuff that you don't know what to do with. I mean, it doesn't fit in any category. Of course, all my Cricut cartridges are here behind the door. So that is my craft room in a nutshell. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, definitely ask us in the comments. We're also going to do a blog with more detail, but I especially want to thank Jennifer Maker for her 30-day challenge. It has been just awesome. I feel like I can come in here now and craft. So thank you, everyone, and talk to you later.